Okay, my name is Christy Norton, and I work for Gemini Industries in the Industrial Wood Coatings Division, and I'm a technical sales rep. So how long have I known the folks at Total Finishing and how long we've worked together? So I met Ty at IWF, not last year, but 2 years ago. That was the first time I ever had any exposure to Ty and the group. But since then, we've ordered several pieces of equipment from him, and then coming here today, it's been an incredible experience. So with the work that I am in as a basic manufacturer rep in coatings, we go through a lot of pumps and a lot of guns. So I'm a huge fan of the Viper gun. That was my very first purchase from you guys, and it has turned out to be an incredible one, and I actually talk to other customers about it quite often. Purchasing from you, it was incredible. It was as easy as going online and picking out the parts that we wanted. As well, from an economic standpoint, that was incredible too. When we look at guns and when we look at recommending guns for customers, it's always a bit of a sticker shock. But we get a quality piece of equipment at a really great price. As well, we're able to buy the tips and the caps whenever we need. We went online. It's a very user-friendly website, so it was easy as that. Well, considering that I've got a couple customers that I've actually already shown videos of, Ty does a really good job of walking through his equipment via video, and videos are huge. I mean, they can see it working. It's not a theoretical thing then, it's something that they can actually see and experience. So that would be the first thing. Go online because he's got a ton of videos that you can take a look at, and then also call him up. A lot of the lines that I work with are custom, from basically the lines themselves to robots and so forth. So it's something that you can go online, it's easy to choose things, then you can dial them up and chat with them about it, but everything can be custom made. So what am I most excited to see next from Total Finishing? I'll tell you, the flat line, to have a flat line that is able to almost think for you is something that is huge. And I say it think for you because having one person run the line instead of having 2 or 3 different people run the line, that is huge, because right now we all know that one of the biggest commodities are actually people and employees. So if you have a line that you can have one person run, that is phenomenal.